I like it. I love it. Fucking brilliant. We all know I use it daily and I love it. But we've had 2 mishaps on the first real day of the rewire. Look. And then, look. Come on, man. Whoosh. So that was the first official day of the rewire. Hopefully tomorrow we will get on with some actual footage of me using the chaser, because it is smashing the job out of the park, making my life so much easy. Thanks, brothers. But I used that website, you know, that one with the next day delivery. So I knew I was coming. Ka-ching. Watch and follow for more.